Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Question Point. Here we provide few most important questions which are related to the subject of GK and GS, which are important for the various SSC exam and most important from the perspective of CHSL exam 2023. So before starting video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. So whenever we upload a new video, you will get the notification and you can continue your preparation, or you can practice the various questions whether how much your preparation is. And you can also comment in the comment section that how much marks you have scored while going through the questions. Let's get started for today. Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. So the radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. Next question. Myopia is a disease connected with eyes. Myopia is a disease connected with eyes. In this case, person cannot see the distant object. In myopia, person cannot see distant object. जो ऑब्जेक्ट दूर होते हैं उनको पर्सन देख नहीं पाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ गदर पार्टी? सो गदर पार्टी इट वॉज फाउंडेड बाय लाला हरदयाल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Greenhouse effect is the heating up of Earth's surface atmosphere which is due to which rays? So it is due to the infrared rays. From the solar radiation, the infrared rays which are there, they heat up the atmosphere of the earth. Who was popularly known as Africa's Gandhi? So Africa's Gandhi is the name given to Nelson Mandela. Next question. Which one of the following term describe not only the physical space occupied by an organism but also its functional role in the community of the organism? So it is basically eco-niche, which describe the functional role also. Remember this word, functional role. Whenever functional role will come, the answer will relate to niche. Next question. When was one of the Central Legislative Assembly constituted? So Central Legislative Assembly was constituted in the year 1921. Next question. Name the Indian king who warmly received the Portuguese traveller Vasco da Gama when he landed at Calicut. So it was King Jamorin who welcomed Vasco da Gama when he landed at Calicut. Next question. The Great Wall of China was built by. So Great Wall of China was built by Shi Huangdi and Qin Shi Huang. These are the two persons who built the Great Wall of China. He was the emperor. Next question. The easternmost peak of the Himalayas is. So easternmost peak of Himalayas is Namcha Barwa. Next question. Which of the following is not a notable industrial city? So notable industrial city here is Allahabad. That it is not a notable industrial city. Kanpur, Mumbai and Jamshedpur, these are notable industrial cities. Next question. An economy which does not have any relation with the rest of the world is known as closed economy. Next question we will see. In which state is the literacy rate of women the highest? So women's literacy rate is highest in the state of Kerala. Next question. Which of the following economists called the father of economics? So this you should remember, never forget. The father of economics is Adam Smith. Next question. Rent is a factor payment paid to. So rent is basically given on land. Next question. Name two non-permanent houses in the parliamentary setup of India. So in parliamentary setup of India, Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, these are the houses. They are non-permanent in nature. While Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, these both are permanent houses. This belongs to permanent house. Means these houses cannot be dissolved, while Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, they can be dissolved. The Mandal Commission report refers to. So Mandal Commission report is basically was for to identify socially or educationally backward people. So it is basically for finding other backward classes. Next question. How many fundamentals right were granted initially? So initially there were 7 fundamental right. Now there are 6. Because right to property, which used to be a fundamental right earlier, it was deleted from the fundamental right by the 44th Amendment, Constitutional Amendment Act of the year 1978. So it was deleted. Right to property. Now right to property exists as a legal right under Article 300A. It is not a fundamental right now. So originally there were 7, right to property is deleted. So now fundamental rights count comes to 6. atomic theory of a matter was given by, so it was given by Dalton or John Dalton in the year 1808. Next question. A wheelbarrow is an example of, so wheelbarrow is an example of class 2 level. Next question. CRM in the context of software application means, it means customer relationship management. Next question. Which one of the following rivers flows through Vindhyas and Satpura ranges? So basically the river Narmada flows through the central India or from the Satpura or Vindhyan ranges. They generally lie in the region of MP. Hemoglobin in the blood is a complex protein rich in, so it is rich in iron. Hemoglobin is rich in iron. Next question. Cloud floats in the atmosphere because of, so they floats because of low density. Next question. The Indian Railways marked Swachhata Paryavaran Divas or the Clean Environment Day by launching the Swachhata Saptah or the Cleanliness Week from which date by the Union Railway Minister. So they basically started from the date September 17. Next. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Let us know in the comment how many marks you have scored while practicing for the question. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And you can also get the PDF of the same from our Telegram group, which link of which is mentioned in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.